Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I quit YouTube for a second there, and now I'm back because I'm just gonna make this channel whatever I want it to be. And today, that is me bleaching my hair. So I'm going to have Kelly bleach my hair, and let's just get into it. I'm ready. Let's go. Oh my God, we're doing it. Oh my, did you put any in yet?
No.
Oh my God, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Why are we doing this?
Because you wanted to.
Okay, so for those of you who don't know, Kelly is my ex-girlfriend. So we're also going to make this a ex-girlfriend tag. Okay, so first question, do you consider our breakup ugly?
Yes.
I do too. It was so ugly. Do you miss the relationship?
No.
Well, I'm a homosexual, so I would hope not. How did we meet?
We met at school. We met in the lunchroom.
Yeah.
It was in April.
How great of a boyfriend was I?
I mean, you were a good-ish boyfriend. I mean, you, out of all the boyfriends I've ever had, you, brought me stuff. You brought me flowers for our, 3-week anniversary. My favorite flowers, but,
you dribbled some on me.
That's fine.
We'll put it on Pikachu.
Oh, R.I.P. Pikachu.
See you later.
And, you would write me little letters that I, still have.
That's true.
I mean, all in all, other than you being, really immature and stuff, you were a pretty good boyfriend, I guess.
I'm still immature.
Oh,
Things
true.
changed. Oh my God. Okay,
Was I a good girlfriend?
Next question. Who would you blame for the breakup?
You.
Obviously me, because I was struggling with my sexuality.
Yeah.
What did we argue about the most?
Probably Serena, to be 100% honest.
Yeah.
Serena and you'd kind of lie to me about things. Well, not lie, you just wouldn't talk to me and then
I was gonna say I just wouldn't tell you at all.
You did bad communication, so
Still
true.
What was your first impression of me?
This was 5 years ago. I think I thought you were really I don't know, I think you were cute, but at the same time I was I don't know him, and I liked your cat shirt a lot, so
That cat shirt is I still have that shirt.
It's iconic.
I should have worn it. It should have been the bleach shirt.
Clickbait.
What was the first thing you noticed about me?
Your hair.
Don't talk about my hair.
It was oh my gosh, it was Justin Bieber still back then, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a good time.
Why did we break up?
You're gay, well, no, okay, because we were both going through a lot at that point in our lives, and so we just kind of, I don't know, we just weren't communicating well with one another, and, you just, I don't know.
What's one thing that you liked doing together?
We didn't do much.
Yeah.
I liked watching movies with you and eating ice cream.
True that. That was the best part.
Yeah. And we go to homecoming together, too, technically, but, not really.
But yeah, not really.
But still.
Our pick at McDonald's.
Oh.
Never forget that.
That wasn't at homecoming. That was at Golden Onions.
How long were we together?
A month. We professional up here. Okay. I am not a licensed professional. Do not do anything I am doing currently. It is your own hair. It is your own risk. You never answered my question, though.
What?
I a good girlfriend. I'm a little hurt.
Until the very end,
I was a little crazy, but I was also going through a lot at that point in my life. 17-year-old me is
She angsty.
She wasn't angsty. She just was misunderstood and I mean, she still is, but
Can we get the dramatic zoom in for this sadness right here?
How is that sad?
Rest in peace, Pikachu.
In the arms of an angel, fly away. In the arms.
Is my head supposed to itch?
Yes.
Okay. That's good. Because it does. Oh my God, I am mixed scared.
I see the anxiety in your eyes.
My head feels hard.
Good.
Also, we're going to the gym after this, so there's that.
I mean, at the end of the day, if it's shit, we can dye it back.
Okay, well, my scalp is tingling, so...
That's normal.
Give the... Give the people what they want.
It's you can see my toes.
You're gonna break the lens! Yeah, I was gonna say, run your fingers through it.
Shit.
Why?
Oh my God, it's light.
Right.
Your head is so warm. Why are you laughing?
It's so light.
Oh my God. Can you just run your hands through the back of my head, pretending you're itching it? Thank you. Oh my God, that feels so good.
I'll do your facial hair too.
No! You bleach my mustache.
You bleach your eyelashes.
Let's bleach your eyebrows.
New skincare routine, bleach. This is where we're at. I'll see you in a few. Okay, so we're back. It's been like 30 minutes and we're gonna go ahead and wash it out. So pray for us.
Just press record.
You sound so defeated.
Here we are.
It looks really good. It's just gonna need another round of bleach. It's fine. What
Where
did
we're
you
at.
expect?
I'm shook. I'm
It wasn't
scared.
gonna come out white on the first try.
Well, I know that.
Okay, this is exactly what I expected.
I think
This
this
is
is a great
exactly-
color for me.
We out here.
So at first it was shock. And now I like it. So,
Nothing
well,
really.
if you need to, we'll do good on our skincare. I don't really care if it's patchy, because once you tone it, it'll give it dimension if it's a little bit patchy.
You talking yourself off the ledge here?
Yeah, I am.
I can't believe we got it this light.
Shut the freaking heck up.
Oh, sister.
Lara, I'm so sorry. I had to. You bleached the floor with that one.
It's not a real hair dyeing video unless I drop it on the floor at least twice.
Ow. That hurts.
Sorry.
It's spiky.
Okay, here we go. Honestly, I think my favorite thing about this whole situation is that I bought like this half gallon. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. I know that you want to.
We're all in this together, and we know when we stand hand in hand, make our dreams come true.
Everybody now. Together, 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 everyone. Together, together. Come on, let's have some fun. Together now is our celebration. We gotta scream and shout.
Yeah. We're all here.
In the way.
Together is home.
We're all in this together. You can have Why does Paris Hilton look better as Kim Kardashian than
Kim Kardashian does. I know. I'll be rocking the same hair color as her. Can we twins?
Oh.
You, Kim and Paris, 3 besties. Hello. Okay, so we're playing the, what is this called?
Toner is T18.
T18 toner.
Did you get T18 even after I told you not to get T18?
I went back and returned it. The internet told me T18, so I got T18.
Let's
do some ASMR.
Stop.
Just go to sleep. It'll be okay.
Oh my god.
Why are you gripping my neck like that?
Sorry. Are you fear sweating?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, then it must be me.
Do we have any inside jokes?
Kelly's Ratchet Hair Salon.
Yeah, that's perfect.
So,
It's not an inside joke anymore. The internet knows.
the Oregon Board of Hair comes from me.
One. Oh, incognito mouse.
Yeah. That is one. You got bleach on my arm! Help!
It's not bleach.
Oh.
It's toner, you dip.
I'd like to speak to the manager, please.
Yeah.
Mistreatment.
What is our favorite movie? Like each of us.
Call me by your name.
Yeah, Paddington.
And Paddington, yeah.
What is something we always keep in our purse, pockets, wallet? You keep pepper spray.
Do you keep your taser?
Yeah, my taser.
Yeah.
So I'm
wallets,
the defense
pockets,
friend.
and purses.
Mm-hmm.
I carry my Apple AirPods with me everywhere.
If I could go anywhere, where would I go?
Is
Norway.
No, yes! I want to go to Norway.
Why?
Because I like it.
What food do you hate?
Yeah.
Everything?
Sushi.
No.
You don't like
Oh,
sushi?
yeah.
Yeah. Well,
Well, I've eaten sushi. I ate some California rolls.
she didn't hate it.
Didn't hate it. I
Wow.
don't really hate anything.
You don't like red meat.
Yes, that is the one.
Oh, I agree with
don't
that.
like red meat at all. I think it's nasty. I don't really like Mexican food.
Yeah, you don't like
either.
Mexican food either.
You hate lasagna.
Mm-hmm.
Lasagna.
That's like the only food I won't eat. Lasagna. I don't know, you're not a very picky eater.
I hate bacon.
Oh, I do too.
I think bacon's nasty. Everyone's
Bacon
like,
is gross.
I don't know bacon. I'm just like, you're
One piece of bacon
gross.
takes a year off your life, so this is just the
Is there anything you don't like to do together?
I almost said hang out.
There are just times where I like want to be alone.
Yeah.
But even still, if I'm like with people and they're just like letting me like be quiet and like do my own thing, I'm fine.
Me too. That's all I ever want to do.
If your best friend is single, describe their dream partner.
We're all single.
Yeah,
so this is
exactly.
Yeah, 'cause
okay.
it's easy.
Delaney's is like he's gonna have he's gonna be white with like blonde. I don't know. I just see you with like a blonde shaggy boy with like brown eyes. He's like a little bit colorblind, and he likes to read music.
But he's got to be slightly a bad boy too.
Yeah.
I have a thing for bad boys.
He's probably a little bit older too, so he's probably like 22, 21, like my age.
Probably like
Yeah.
24.
And for Mark, I think your dream boy is
Mark's is like exactly like him.
Just me, but not white.
Yeah, true. Yours is like
You like white boys though. You really do. No, younger.
rich, well educated,
Younger.
smart, can keep up with you in conversation.
Younger and clean cut.
No, older. Older.
No.
Older.
Would have
Older.
She's never dated
same
anyone
age,
older.
No,
Trenton.
same age or like
Okay.
a few years older. I'm not talking like crazy down, but definitely like well spoken.
Mm-hmm.
Is like willing to like
is not an idiot.
yeah.
He has to be able to have a conversation.
Yeah.
He has to be intelligent.
I feel like that's one for all of us.
He
Mm-hmm.
has to be smart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not for me, because I'm not very smart.
Who is your friend's favorite YouTuber? Mark's is Tati.
Yeah, Tati.
Mm-hmm.
Yours. I don't know why I feel like it's Trisha Paytas.
Yeah, I do too. That's what I was thinking.
I like rarely watch her videos. Like they give me
Really?
anxiety. My favorite YouTuber is Shane Dawson.
That's I was thinking.
Yeah, that was my second choice.
I love him.
For you?
I mean, I have like a few in mind that like.
Is it Cody Ko?
Oh yeah. Out of the three of us, who's the best at talking to people?
You. You could see anyone at any location and just start a whole conversation and ask them about their whole entire life since the last time you saw them.
Oh.
And then there's me and I will look at someone I know and walk away. Because I hate confrontation.
I hate avoiding confrontation. It stresses me out because then I fear what like they're gonna be like, oh my god, they like ignored me.
Fair.
And then there's me and I'm like, I don't care what people think.
Who is more optimistic / pessimistic?
I think you're the most optimistic.
Yeah.
Me and Mark are like tied for most pessimistic.
Who is more extroverted / introverted?
I'm the most introverted.
I feel like you're in the middle,
Yeah.
And you're the most extroverted.
but there are still times where like
But you're not overall
Yeah.
more introverted. Like, I could go a year without talking to a single person and be fine. But then there's you and you sit in your bed for like 2 hours and you're like, okay, I want to go do something with someone.
yeah.
And like
That's
the
true.
first person texts you, you'll go do it. But then there's me and people ask me to hang out. I'm like, no, I'm scared.
What does your best friend talk about all the time? Call me by your name.
Yes.
Lord,
Lord, yeah.
Troy,
Makeup.
Harry Styles.
psychology.
True.
Just
We all talk about boys a lot.
random research ass bitch. It's my middle name. We used to talk about theater a lot too. And
Yeah.
we still do sometimes.
Who's the most annoying? That's me.
No,
I feel like I am too.
I wouldn't
because
say
I'm-
you're the most annoying.
Really?
Yeah. I think I'm the most annoying.
I think I'm most annoying. And do you say you think you're the most annoying?
Well, I'm persistent. If you don't text me back, I'll text you until you text me back.
But I
yeah,
feel like
but
I'm the
I
type of
always
person-
text you. I text you a million times too. So I mean,
But I'm the type of person who will like talk about shit that literally no one cares about, and I like won't let it go.
I've never
true.
felt that way with you.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
I have
will
a couple
not...
times, but it's not like you're talking at me, it's at other people. And I'm sitting there, I'm like, I'm listening and I understand I'm.
With me?
Yeah, but
I
like
think-
the person you're talking to doesn't give a shit.
Yeah, I hate that. I'm like, just humor me. Honestly, like that's all I want. Who's your best friend's celebrity crush? What's
Yeah.
yours?
I don't really have one.
Yeah, you don't.
I'm like Fleetwood Mac.
I'm like Shane Dawson.
Trisha Paytas.
No, mine is
Each
now
other.
Timothy.
Oh, true.
Troy is irrelevant. Timothy has taken my heart.
Okay. What do you admire the most about each other?
Thoughtfulness.
Determination.
You're just like smarts, and you're like willing to
Your willingness to learn new
Yeah.
things and to
listen.
expand
and,
your mind.
Yeah.
You're
I feel
very
like yours
welcome.
is determination too. Like if you want to do something, like you'll do it.
Yeah, I was gonna say persistence.
Yeah.
Clearly, because
Finally,
I made
true.
a YouTube video.
And you're bleaching your hair.
Yeah,
currently.
currently doing that.
If your friend met a genie and were granted a wish, what would it be? Yours would be to be rich.
Oh.
Get that coin to secure the bag.
I feel like you would wish to be like set in your career like where you want to be. Like
Yeah.
you want to skip forward to
Yeah.
that.
I think yours would be the same as skipping ahead
Yeah.
to where you want to be.
Yeah.
Face school. Face
Lots of
school.
money.
Aesthetics.
What is your best friend really good at?
Photography.
She's good at writing. Nobody ever sees that writing, but she's good at it.
Oh.
That's true. I feel like yours cooking.
Cooking, true, because
You're good at cooking.
you have never made something that I haven't enjoyed thoroughly.
and you're actually this is like not to like blow smoke up your ass right now, but like you're really good at hair.
Yeah, true. Clearly, here we are in the salon.
I'm multi-talented.
Which 3 things would your best friend take with you on a deserted island?
You would take your laptop,
Yeah.
not for like social media, but to write.
True.
You would take Sprite.
Oh no. Yes.
You're a minimalist person. I don't think you would need anything
Yeah.
else. Headphones.
Yeah.
Not even if you're on a deserted island.
You can just blast that shit. Nobody
Yeah.
cares.
My Google Home. I feel like you would bring your skincare.
Yeah, we ain't gonna be dry on a desert island. I'd bring a man.
Okay, fair.
That's fair.
Can't go without my man.
You would also bring a man.
Yeah.
Why? I don't need.
You would bring your iPad.
Yeah, you would.
For sure.
You would.
Alright guys, so this is the final outcome of my hair. It's still just a little bit yellow, but it will tone out with the shampoo. But overall, I think this turned out so good. I cannot believe how long it has taken me to do this hair. I honestly have wanted to do it for like 3 years now. And I finally did it. Kelly did such a good job. If you want her to dye your hair, you definitely should because she's always open for business. And yeah, so if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this color down below. If you think it suits me, if you hate it, let me know, I guess. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!